Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 Daily Operations Weather Briefing. We have some cooler temperatures out there this morning. Saw temperatures in the mid-30s and some locations seeing some lower 30s across the peninsula this morning. So those temperatures quickly rise though. We'll have a dry cold front moving through today, a very slight chance of a brief sprinkle for the afternoon hours, but with the cold front moving through, we'll have some breezy conditions as well as some much colder temperatures moving in for tomorrow behind that cold front. Overall today we'll see below average temperatures in the mid-50s for highs and that only slight chance of a brief sprinkle this afternoon. Looking at the current surface analysis, we have this cold front across the Ohio Valley into the western mid-Atlantic states. It's going to be moving through the region today. See some lake effect snowfall behind that, and going to see a slight chance of us having a brief sprinkle this afternoon, as I mentioned. Taking a look at our current observation, we have a few clouds at 6,500, scattered deck at 9,500, broken deck at 11,000, winds out of the southwest 4 knots, temperature 45 degrees, and relative humidity at 71%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region, you can see this band of cloud cover out in front of the cold front. It's going to be moving through for this afternoon. Just sawing some virga across the region this morning, but overall not going to see any precipitation chances until later this afternoon. Taking a look at those precipitation chances, here's the 3-kilometer HRRR model, and this is at 11 and then 12, 1300, 1400, and 1500, and 4 o'clock or 1600. You can see some isolated light rain showers across the region. That's going to be the case for the afternoon hours today. Most likely these rain showers, if they do fall to the ground, will just be some sprinkles over the area. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll have those windy conditions to breezy conditions this afternoon. Those light south-southwesterly winds this morning, they'll pick up out of the west for late morning hours. Should see a wind advisory by about 10 or 11 o'clock this morning. And then we'll move into the afternoon hours with northwesterly breezes gusting up to 33 knots during the early afternoon hours. That wind advisory will most likely extend until about midnight tonight. After that, the wind should die down some, and we'll see winds pick back up by tomorrow morning, gusting to 23 knots by 8 o'clock on Wednesday morning. We'll see the temperatures, as I mentioned today, the mid-upper 50s, high of 58 today. We'll see a chilly overnight low of 34 degrees tonight. Inland locations should see some freezing temperatures tonight once again. So taking a look at our terminal forecast, the next 24 hours, going to see VFR conditions today most likely. Looking like the ceilings this afternoon will be around 5,000 feet. Then this evening should see cloud cover down to 3,000 feet, after midnight tonight. And that will continue through tomorrow morning. Going to see VFR conditions I mentioned in the next 24 hours. Our tides are currently normal, and looking at Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday, partly to mostly cloudy, breezy, and cold with a high of only 45 degrees. With those winds in the morning gusting around 23 to 24 knots, can't rule out a wind advisory during the morning on Wednesday. Wednesday night, mostly clear to partly cloudy and cold, a low of 30. And for Thursday, mostly sunny and chilly, a high of 53 degrees. That'll complete our 8:15 Daily Operations Weather Brief. I hope everybody has a great day. We're back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.